This is the problem of vscode. I faced this problem many times, so let's fix the issue. Simple tricks: just you press your keyboard Alt key and same time you press space bar, mean Alt key plus space. See, this is the pop-up. You see the pop-up restore button and close button. Just to simply maximize and say my problem is fixed. Okay, now I show you second method. Again, I open vscode. At this moment, I don't see type. You go your keyboard and Ctrl Shift T. So type menu bar. Here at the toggle menu bar. Just click. Save. This is your menu bar back. Okay. Again, I hide view menu bar hide. This is second method. So at this moment, I have no menu bar. So shortcut is go your keyboard and just press F11. This is full screen mode, but menu bar couldn't come. So you see the another shortcut layer icon. Click this bar and here the menu bar. Yes, again come back to menu bar. Click view, appearance, menu bar, gone. Shift Ctrl key, menu bar, gone. And again Shift Ctrl key, menu bar, come.